In today's video, I'm going to take you through how are you able to request money using PayPal. For those interested in setting up a verified PayPal account, kindly reach out on our WhatsApp number 0707 688 655. We will set you up a PayPal account that is set and verified for you to send money, receive, and withdraw. For you to request money, simply click on the request money button in your PayPal account. Secondly, put in the email of that person you are requesting a payment from. Let's put in this email. You can request money from multiple users. Then secondly, click next. Secondly, put in the amount that you want to request from that PayPal account or that user. Then put a note and simply click request a payment. That person will simply receive a notification requesting money with a specific reason. Simply, that is how you request money using PayPal. Well, for those interested in account sign up and verification, simply reach out on our WhatsApp number. We do set up these PayPal accounts for organizations that would like to receive payments globally, freelancers that would like to cash out money from their freelancing sites, gamers that have money in their games and would like to use PayPal for cash out, TikTokers that have money in their TikTok accounts, and other categories. Are you an organization or a company? Secondly, we do offer PayPal withdrawal services from at least $10 to 55,000 USD, and we also receive payments on behalf, no matter how much the transaction. Are you interested in PayPal services? Simply reach out on our WhatsApp number 0707 688 655. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow our TikTok account for more videos related to PayPal.